But the basics are, what are the basics? What are the basics?
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms.
Sup my G, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa Joe. If you are new here, karibu sana. That means you are very welcome in Swahili. So as you have seen from the title of the video, I'm gonna be showing you my go-to head wrap hairstyles, and anybody that knows me knows I wear head wraps very often, especially when my hair is out in the open. So yeah, if you wanna watch that, stay tuned. I think I've got four styles for you, so I hope you enjoy. So for my first and current favorite style, you're going to need a t-shirt to place underneath the lasso that you will be using to wrap your head. So this is a t-shirt that I cut up to just to make it a bit longer and increase that surface area. So when I do roll it up like I'm doing into a sort of donut shape, it's a bit wider than a t-shirt that isn't cut up and is still in its natural structure. So, as you can see, I usually use a whole lasso. I don't cut any fabric. I don't use any kind of like special head wraps or anything like that. Really, all you need is a lasso. And I'm pretty sure if you are living in a Kenyan home, there is a lasso somewhere. So, I go ahead and put the rolled up t-shirt on my flat hair. Those of you who wear wigs know it's best to wear them over like lines or cornrows like I have done with the head wrap. It just gives you a nice flat surface, and yeah, everything just flows. So lasso is placed in position over the t-shirt, and now we are tying a knot at the front. Let's go, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, we're showing you side profile. Side. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. So I'm a crisscross, hiding the black line that is usually on the edges of lassos because I don't like it to show. So that side goes on the opposite direction as it had been tied in, and the other one goes in the other direction, like opposite it. And so it grabs it and it secures the first little section. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck in that leftover material. So a key, I know I was looking for basics in the beginning, but this is actually a basic. When tying head wraps, try and make as many pockets as you can as you're tying, because the pockets are where your extra material are going to go. So we've tucked that in, and now we're just gonna go ahead and adjust. I'm already feeling the look, and I'm like, oh, girl, it's popping. It's it's popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust to the goats, and yeah, hey, it's a look. Oh, a queen. The black line I don't usually like is showing, but I tried to fix it. It couldn't go away. But it's in a position we don't mind it. It can stay rent free. It's fine. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah. A look one done. On to look two. This one we do not need any extra layer, any extra height. This one is actually a new style. I did it on a friend of mine and it looked bomb. I've never done it on myself. This is the first time I'm doing it, but I said I must share it because it's cute and it's really simple. So same technique I'd used for the first one, but now I'm tying at the back. So we tie. Hey, we're looking a bit like a shosho, but it's okay. I love how I'm laughing on the voiceover, like as I laugh on the video. So we go ahead and wrap the fabric around the back area. Yes, wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. In the opposite direction as well. So one thing I have noticed with my head wraps, once I make the knot, like the first knot, you end up with two pieces of fabric. So I usually take them in opposite directions to each other. I guess that can be another basic. So adjust appropriately. And there you have it. Ooh, pop on some hoops and girl and some lip gloss. Oh my gosh. Fire, baby. Okay. Hey, I'm low-key feeling myself. Ooh, aha. Style number 3, we're bringing back the t-shirt because we need some elevation in this style. This is actually the style I did the intro in. So yeah, roll up the t-shirt into a nice donut shape. You could use those things that people use to make buns, like those actual donut sponges. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, that would work too. Same procedure, but this time we are not tying a knot. So we're just gonna crisscross directly without tying a knot. And notice in the first style, I tied around where the t-shirt was. This time I am tying around my actual head, right? So that's something to note. So again, we take it all around, and then the second piece of fabric secures the first one into place, right? And with that, we tuck in the second piece of fabric into a pocket made by the first piece of fabric. So intentionally, as you go, create pockets where extra fabric can sit in. So adjust appropriately as usual, because it's never complete until you adjust. It's gonna look hella weird without adjustments. But let's switch to the final look, and I'm feeling myself. Hey. Okay. 360 degrees. Ooh, a girl is cute. Look number 4, and the final one, we're ditching that t-shirt. This is a very basic look. It is the most common one in Nairobi. So you already know what's coming. It's just the round one on the forehead. But like mine is usually not on my forehead, it's actually on my head. I like it a little bit elevated. So yeah, tie the knot. That's another basic, like that should be your first step in most of these head wrap styles, excluding the one I've done previously. So yeah, secure everything. We've wrapped it all around the way we did with the one that where the bun was at the back. Yeah. So yeah, doing it in the opposite direction for the second piece of fabric, and we're gonna go ahead and adjust appropriately as usual. So yeah, guys, that is it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope you all learned something, and show me pictures if you do try any of these styles from me. See you in my next one.